In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Google Drive with ChatGPT, a great way to streamline your workflow if you're using ChatGPT Plus, Team, Enterprise, or eDo plans. Now let's go through this process step by step so you can make the most out of your Google Workspace. First, it's important to ensure that you're on a supported plan. Unfortunately, this integration isn't available for free tier users, so you'll need to make sure you're either a Plus, Team, Enterprise, or eDo subscriber. If that's all set, we're ready to proceed with enabling this integration. To begin, you'll need to open ChatGPT and navigate to the Settings menu. Once there, you'll find an option labeled Connected Apps. This is where you'll link your Google Drive. It's a straightforward process similar to connecting any app. Alternatively, if you're already engaged in a chat within ChatGPT, you might notice a paperclip icon. You can click on this icon and select Add from Google Drive to establish the connection. This convenience makes it easy to bring in files when you need them in your conversations. Next, we move on to granting access permissions. This step is crucial for the integration to work seamlessly, so let's make sure it's done correctly. You'll need to sign into your Google Workspace account. When you do this, you'll receive a prompt asking you to allow ChatGPT to access your supported files like Google Docs, Sheets, Slides, PDFs, and even Word documents. This will ensure that the necessary information is readily available and easily accessible when you need it. One reassuring aspect of this integration is the security of your permissions. The integration respects the file-level permissions in Google Drive, ensuring that access is granted only where it's allowed. Moreover, any changes you make in Drive, like updating sharing settings, are immediately reflected in ChatGPT. This continuous update gives you peace of mind that your files remain secure, providing a trustworthy and reliable system. Lastly, although optional, you now have the ability to upload files within ChatGPT once your drive is connected. This can be done directly through the chat interface by utilizing the file picker, making it easy to add files into your conversations as needed. It's a nice feature if you regularly share documents or other resources during your interactions. And there you have it. A simple and effective way to integrate Google Drive with ChatGPT. By following these steps, you'll enhance your productivity and improve collaboration, all while maintaining the integrity and security of your documents. Enjoy the new capabilities and the efficiency gains as you continue using ChatGPT with your Google Workspace.